Greetings from sunny South Florida. Up for sale today from Nova Auto Sales, this 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel, show you the condition of the vehicle. Really nice, beautiful shape. Super clean. Really nice condition. Let's go ahead and take a closer look here. Front bumper's in outstanding shape, looks super clean. Really nice. Extra clean down there. It's got a small little mark right there. Small little mark right there, nothing major. Headlamps are in outstanding shape, super clean. Grill's in beautiful condition. Very nice. Take a look at the hood on the vehicle. Hood looks good, super clean throughout. Very nice condition. Take a look at the front fender on the passenger side, outstanding shape, super clean throughout. Taking a look at the front door on the passenger side, also in outstanding condition, looks very nice. Chrome moldings and windows look amazing, super clean, really nice shape. Take a look at the mirror. Mirror's in beautiful condition, really nice shape there. Rear door on the passenger side, outstanding condition, super clean throughout. Taking a close look at the quarter panel on the passenger side, beautiful condition. Does have a small little dent right there. Besides that, looks good. Tiny little dent right there, nothing major. Walking on the back, rear lights are in beautiful shape. Really nice condition. Rear bumpers in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Trunk lid's in beautiful shape. Really nice. It's got a small little dent right here. You can't even see it. Small little dent right there. Quarter panel on the driver's side, beautiful shape. Looks very clean. Rear door on the driver's side looks amazing. Super clean throughout. Very nice. Glass. Chrome moldings look beautiful. Driver door's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice. Front fender on the driver's side, really nice condition. Let's take a look here at the mirror. Beautiful shape throughout there. Front glass, really nice condition. It's really clean, beautiful condition throughout. Roof's in nice shape. Super clean. Looks amazing. Very nice. That's our walk around on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior, and then we'll take it for a test drive. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver door panel. Door panel's in outstanding condition. Very nice. Super clean throughout. Take a look at the controls. Really nice shape. Beautiful condition. Driver's seat also in beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Very nice condition. Full set of floor mats. Dashboard steering wheel looks brand new. Very nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Really nice shape. Super clean throughout. Take a look at the controls. Very nice. Take a look at the passenger seat in the front. Very nice condition throughout. Beautiful shape. Dashboard steering wheel, everything looks amazing. Really nice shape. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear door panel on the driver's side. Door panel's in beautiful shape. Clean throughout, very nice condition. Take a look at the rear seat. Beautiful shape. Clean throughout. Full set of floor mats all the way through. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear passenger side door panel. Door panel's in beautiful condition. Clean throughout, very nice. Take a look at the controls there. Looks very nice. Super clean. Rear seat on the passenger side looks amazing. Super clean throughout, very nice. It's got AC vents back here for the rear passengers. Really nice feature. Okay, we're all set to start this baby up. There's the key fob for it. So as long as it's in the car, you're good to go. So we'll just put it down there for now. Press the brake, press the start button that's right here. Should start right up, there you go. Very nice. You can see that all the gauges are fully functional, all the lights are working perfect. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on this one, but let's take a look at the miles first. This one has 91,496 miles. Really nice. All right, let's take a look at some of the features on this. So we got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, got automatic lights, cruise control on the steering wheel. We got an information center here controller, that's for the top one there. You can scan through it, go through all the stuff here. Really nice. Okay, this has got a really nice radio here. Let's put it on the home screen there. Look at that. You can pair your phone with it. You can project your screen onto the actual screen here, which is really cool. It's really nice. So let's just go real quick here to audio. So this has AM, FM, satellite radio, USB, and Bluetooth. Super nice. Back to home again. So this is to project your screen on there. You've got to connect your phone with the USB, and then whatever's on your phone will come on the screen there. Gallery, the Bluetooth, OnStar, and settings. Really nice. Down below here we have the AC controls, automatic transmission, traction control, cup holders right there. Really nice. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Super clean. It's really nice. In really nice condition. Up above here you have your OnStar button and the passenger airbag light there. A couple courtesy lights on top here, which are very nice. Seats in great shape on the passenger side. It's got a really nice armrest there. Beautiful. It's got storage inside there. Very nice. Steering wheel and everything looks brand new, really nice condition. It's got 90,000 miles on it. Doesn't even look it. It's in really nice shape. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take it for a little test drive, and then we'll be right back. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take this vehicle for a little test drive. We already have it in gear. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. Here we go. Really nice drive, smooth. Really nice ride. Okay, we're going to check out the brakes here. Very nice. Stops nice. Feels super smooth. There we go. Beautiful drive. All right, let's check out the backup camera. As soon as you put it in reverse, camera pops up, and as you can see there, when you turn the steering wheel, it shows which way the vehicle is going to roll. Super cool. Very nice feature. We're taking a look at the trunk area. Trunk area is clean and in great shape. Really nice condition. Let's take a look at the spare tire down here. Spare tire and jack. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice. We're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tire's in amazing condition. Looks good. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Very nice condition. We're taking a look at the rear tire. Rear tire's in fair shape. Good amount of tread on there. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, well, that's going to conclude our video for this 2017 Chevrolet Malibu LT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition inside and out, really in nice shape. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046. or visit our website for more information, novaautosales.net. Thanks for watching.